Welcome, today in front of me Vivo X80 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here the ringtone volume panel, and just to change your device ringtone you should swipe this down to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also you can do it by the second way. Just first select here in volume button controls function the ringtone, not media, and now just by press to the up or to the down volume button we can see that we can change also our device ringtone. And the third way you can do it just by swipe this volume panel to the up or to the down. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.